You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Listen to me, California. Listen to me now and understand me later and all of these things. The biggest movie of the year. This movie is called Pizza and Bullets.
Oh, cool. We don't have extra cheese.
You can go to the website there, www.pizzaandbullets.com, and you can click on the link, the tax-deductible link, and you can make a donation to the movie. And it will be made, but it cannot be made without you, California, and everything else that is not California. Make the donation, make the movie happen, and it'll be amazing. It'll be so fantastic. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love yourself and all these things, and you're gonna grow muscles just by donating. Yes, Mr. Universe, I would donate, but I do not have any money. It is up to you, America, to make the donation, to reach into your wallets, and to make this happen. I'll be back.